Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to do a word building exercise using Ping Object Box 2. This exercise reinforces the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. It will also teach the child that words are made up of letter sounds, and most importantly, it will also help the child to develop his vocabulary. So let us watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to make words using objects from box 2. Are you ready? Alright, Judith, let's look at this object. Do you know the name for this object?
Jet.
It's a jet. Very good. Can you place the jet over here? Let's make the word jet. Judith, what sounds can you hear when I say jet?
J.
Very good. Can you look for j and place it on the mat? What other sounds can you hear when I say jet? Jet. Very good, Judith. Right. Let us sound the letters.
J. Et.
One more time.
J. Et.
Shall we read the word together? Jet. Jet. Very good, Judith. Right, Judith, let's look at this. Do you know what is this?
Pen.
It's a pen, that's right. Would you like to take a look? What do we use a pen for?
For writing.
For writing, that's right. So shall we make the word pen? So would you like to place it over here? So what sounds can you hear when I say pen?
P.
Very good, Judith. Pen. Pen. Very good, Judith. So once again, Judith, shall we sound the letters together?
Pen.
Pen. Very good. All right. Ooh, let's look at this animal. Do you know the name for this animal?
Chicken.
It's a chicken, okay? This is the mother chicken. We call it a hen. Hen.
Hen.
Let's make the word hen. What sounds can you hear when I say hen? Very good, Judith. Hen. Very good. Hen. Yes, Judith. Shall we sound the letters together? One more time. Shall we read the word?
Hen.
Let's read all the words one more time.
J. J. Pen. Hen.
Well done, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again.